I'm glad to see you on my channel. In this video, I would like to show how to use a trading strategy with the Relative Strength Index or RSI and how I apply it for quick trades on the 1-minute time frame with a 1-minute expiration. RSI or Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator that helps determine how strongly and quickly an asset's price is changing. As a rule, its value ranges from 0 to 100 and is perfect for finding entry points, especially in our short-term trades. Let's see how to set it up. To set up the RSI, we open Indicators and select RSI. I've already marked it with a star. I trade often and use this indicator regularly. Click on it, and you will immediately see a distinct line like this appear on your screen. And one more very important thing to consider, for short-term trading strategies, you can effectively reduce the standard period setting to approximately 5 to 7, and by doing so, the indicator will become significantly more sensitive to all the various market movements and fluctuations. Let's set it to, say, 7. Let's set it to 5. What should be said in general about working with this indicator? Pay attention to the levels. There is an upper level at 70 and a lower one at 30. If you see that this line is moving upward, let's also adjust the thickness of this line. Let's set it so it's more visible. Set it to 2 pixels and save. If you see that this line is going up, that's the overbought zone. That means we can take a short position and the price will go down. If we see that the line drops below the 30 mark, that means it's the oversold zone. So, we can take a long position upwards betting on a rise. How to use it should be clear now. There are some tips. First of all, combine RSI with technical chart analysis because all these signals are not a cure-all. I've already discussed this with you in advance. Earlier, we talked about the fact that trading always involves risks. It's not that simple here. You need to follow risk management and money management. Therefore, in addition to using RSI, I recommend that you also use other technical analysis, indicators and elements, at the very least, support and resistance zones, and you can also use volume profile. Second tip. Experiment with the indicator settings and find the parameters that work best for you. I think this will come with experience. The main thing is to get started. And third, I'd like to point out that RSI helps you make decisions quickly and significantly increases the efficiency of short-term trading. Let me repeat once again, it is not a guarantee for your trades. In any case, losses do happen. Even professional traders experience them. What's important is that the majority of your trades are profitable. So, friends, let's move on to trading real assets. Let's see what happens. Right now, our account balance is $55,387 and let's see how we finish this session. Let's start trading. In this case, I have the Euro to Canadian dollar pair open in the terminal. We can see that the RSI is breaking through the 30 line. Let's enter a buy position. Expiration time is 1 minute, the amount is $50 and let's see how this turns out. Next, let's look at Euro to US dollar. The situation is similar. They're buying up from the bottom, but I hope we'll have time to enter. We are entering a buy position for $50. While we wait for the expiration, let's check out some other pairs. There's some volatility here. Australian dollar to Swiss franc, that's a pretty good situation. I'll take a sell position here. So, we also have an interesting situation with Euro to Swiss franc. Let's take a sell position. We have 4 trades open now. Let's take a look. The first trade is Euro to US dollar. There are just a few seconds left until expiration. Literally 2 seconds. Great job. Plus $50. Next trade. Alright. This particular trade, similar to the previous one, also successfully closes in profit. And the very next trade that is being initiated is the currency pair involving the United States dollar against the Swiss franc, commonly known as USD to CHF. We went short for a decrease. This one also closes in profit, as does the euro to Swiss franc. Let's see how this one closes. Here, we also close in profit. So these are indeed our very last and final trades for this particular session. We opened 4 or 5 trades and all of them closed in profit. Friends, I think we can wrap up this video here. What I'd like to say is, I've left a link in the description to register with the Pocket Option Broker. I've also left a promo code that will increase your first deposit by 60%. Trade responsibly and follow risk management. Register on Pocket Option, set up the RSI indicator, and start trading. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, everyone.